If you want to close your Stash account, follow these straightforward steps to ensure the process goes smoothly. Make sure to review any outstanding balances or investments before proceeding. Step 1. Log into your account. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the srock.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 2. Navigate to Account Settings. Once logged in, find the Account Settings section. This is usually located in the menu or profile area of the app or website. Step 3. Select Account Closure option. Look for the option that allows you to close or deactivate your account. This may be labeled as Close Account or something similar. Step 4. Follow the prompts. Carefully follow the on-screen instructions. You may be asked to confirm your decision and provide a reason for closing your account. Step 5. Confirm closure. After completing the prompts, confirm that you want to close your account. You should receive a notification or email confirming that your account has been successfully closed. Once you've completed these steps, your Stash account will be closed. If you have any questions or encounter issues, consider reaching out to Stash customer support for assistance.